friends, I'm Jennifer Scott and welcome back to my channel, J Scott Beauty. Well, if you saw Naturium's most recent launch, you were like, yep, she's going to be getting that. We're going to be seeing a video. And today's the day. That's right. I officially have my collection of 4 Phyto-Glow Lip Balms. You didn't think I was going to get just one. I mean, seriously, I would never get just one. Let's face it, this video is about lip balm. How long can it be? Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we're gonna start. So the collection features 6 shades. I have 4. I have Clear, which I'm wearing right now, Camellia, Petal, and Jam. The 2 other colors are Lychee and Nectar. All right, let's get the facts and figures out of the way. So when I was going through my collection, I found that the Sephora sleeping mask is 0.5 ounces, the Balm.com is 0.5 also, and the Tried and True Vaseline is 0.35. So this one is the closest in size to our Phyto-Glow Lip Balm. So I'm gonna say that's an average size. All right, let's get down to the ingredients. There's 4 main ingredients. The first one is the phyto-derived esters. That means it's a plant-derived lanolin. There's shea butter, Kua butter, I'm not going to be able to pronounce that ever, and there's squalane. These ingredients are all hyper moisturizing, hyper hydrating, and very smoothing and soothing to the lips. What more can we ask for? You can purchase these individually for $12. You can buy 2 different trios. There's the Brights Trio and the Deep Trio, or you can buy the whole collection. You don't get any savings by buying them in these trios or the whole collection. It's just 6 times 12 is 72 for the whole collection, or 3 times 12 for $36 for the trios. So the first thing I noticed when I opened my box was this little hole. This told me instantly that this is made to be stocked on store shelves. So I have a feeling we're going to be seeing this at Target very soon, and I could not be happier about that. Now, I think if you spend, I think it's $30 on the Naturium site, you get free shipping, which I always spend at least $30. Who are we kidding? But to be able to just run to the store and pick this up is exactly what I need. Like, I'm gonna lose these, I'm gonna use them up, and I'm gonna want them yesterday. So as soon as these hit the shelves, you know I'm gonna be getting more. Let's face it, I'll probably pick up a Lychee and Nectar. All right, so I have had this on for a couple hours. I put it on before I did my makeup, stayed on during my makeup. I actually kind of rubbed it off and put on a fresh coat just for the video. Now, as you can see, it has this nice metal tip, which is such a nice experience. If you've used any other products that has this sort of metal tip, it's just like a very cooling, soothing sensation. So I love that this is what they used. Now, I had to get it started. I had to use 2 fingers to like press it up. There we go. Press it up. And out comes the product. What is nice about it is it's thick. Now, when I say thick, I don't mean like gloppy. I mean this rich, cushiony, thick texture that you know is going to stick around on your lips. It didn't slide around like I looked like I was eating fried chicken. It stayed put, and my lips felt so smooth, soothed, hydrated. And that's what I want. Isn't that what we all want? I mean, it's a lip balm. We're only looking for minor miracles. And of course, like all Naturium products, you just rip down the side. There we go. Open it up, and inside you're gonna learn a little bit of extra information. Do it. Rip it open, read something, learn something. I can't help it. I do it every time. All right, I'll tell you what I learned. The Phyto Esters are 100% plant-derived lanolin, blah, blah, blah. The Phytos have a low molecular weight and nourish without feeling greasy. The Phyto Esters have high water-holding properties and excellent moisture retention. In addition to moisturizing, the Phyto Esters naturally add a glowy finish. What more could we ask for from our freaking lip balm? All right, let's open them up and see the shades. I'm gonna use my handy dandy palette. That way we can get a true sense of what the shades look like. So first up is Camellia. I mean, how pretty is that pink? Next up, we have Petal. Yep, love. And then we have Jam. And there we have the 3 tinted shades. You think I should try them each on? Let's see. First shade on my lips, Camellia. And next up, we have Petal. I really love how these feel. And that shine, can you get over it? And lastly, we have Jam. All right, friends, that is short, simple, and sweet because this is easy. I mean, it's lip balm. It's the best 12 bucks I've spent all week. I mean, it feels so good. It smells great. I can tell it's going to be nourishing. And honestly, it's Naturium. You know I love all their products. Well, almost all. If you have an obsession with lip balm like I do, you better get these. You will not be disappointed. I do not know which is my favorite shade. Good thing I don't have to choose. All right, that's it. Go get your Naturium Phyto-Glow Lip Balms. You want to moisturize, you want to hydrate, you want to glow, go get it, girl. And if you've already purchased yours, leave your comments down below. I want to hear what you think about them. As always, I want to thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah.